goodness, look at that tire, y'all! What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and today I'm going to show you guys my new VFC drag pack, custom made for yours truly, SRT Dad. You guys a little sneak peek. I'm going to take this off real quick. Here it is. It's a replica. It's basically the same wheel except it has a beadlock and it's a 17-inch forged wheel. Check this out, guys. Oh my god. So here's a little close-up of it. Beautiful wheel. So my tires just got here. I'm gonna go pick them up. I'm gonna go to a tire shop and have them mounted on and have them swap out the wheels. Just to show you guys, if you guys are new to the channel, first off, like, comment, subscribe. But here's the wheels I have right now. Okay, so these are 20 by 10.5 inch, and I have them on a 2 rows. They're 315 35/20 tires, as you can see here. It's kind of what they look like. So the tires I bought are tires I've had before for this drag pack. I used to have Race Stars, and I had Mickey Thompson, I believe they're the street tires, 305, 45, 17. So that's what's gonna be going on these. So I don't wanna make this video too long because it's scorching hot out here. It's like 105, gonna be 110 today, so. But I'll try to film what I can. So let's go get these tires first off. All right, guys, so I got the wheels loaded up. They're nice and light, pretty light wheels. So let's go ahead and let's go. Let's go get this done. Like I said, it's super hot out here, but here's the tires. Those of you that follow the channel, I've had these before. I bought them used when I bought them. These are brand new. Mickey Thompson, 305, 45, ET Street SS tires. The reason I bought these is because they're more street friendly. I'm not gonna be like, drag racing the car like that. I rarely, I've only gone twice ever, so it's mainly just for looks. I like the fatter look. Hopefully they'll look good on the wheels and look good on the back. Let's go get this done. All right, so bad news. I went to my local tire shop and they didn't want to fuck with the beadlocks, yo. It's a beadlock wheel, so you have to unbolt the beadlock. It had the beadlock ring it has on it, and then put the tire on, and then bolt the beadlock back on. The tire shop said it's time consuming. They don't know what to charge for it, and they don't want to be liable for any strip bolts. So now, I guess my wheel's gonna get delayed. I'm not gonna go driving around in this heat. It's hot. First find a tire shop that's willing to do it, see how much they charge, and yeah, I'll go from there. I mean, obviously this is my first time I've ever gotten beadlocks, so I guess this is the maze you kind of got to go through, the loopholes you got to go through to get them on. I guess it's not as simple as I thought it'd be, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but it's not gonna happen today. Alright, found a spot where they'll do it. Gonna get this drag pack on, get some sensors in the back. I need to check my sensor on that front passenger tire too, see if it's not reading anymore. So that way we don't have any lights when we're running this thing on. Can't wait. Check it out, y'all. He's got one. He said he had to chafe for the inside of the wheel to get it on, but it looks freaking good. It took a minute, but we're working on the second one now. These beadlocks, they're a different process than your normal tire. Looks sick so far. Hell yeah. We'll get these on now. My boy Andrew on it. Oh yeah. All right, this is it, y'all. Like I said, it's freaking hot today. Like I said, I was gonna try to film everything I could. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Oops. Oops. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that tire, y'all. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Meaty. Meaty. Look at that chop. Final results, y'all. I haven't posted any pictures or anything yet, or any videos, but YouTube will most likely be the first source that will see the final look. What do y'all think? Sitting nice, sitting nice. Woo! Yeah. Oh, semi's coming. What do you think, YouTube? Rate it 1 through 100 in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the new SRT DAD 1-of-1 drag pack. Thank you again, VFC Performance, for the wheels. I love them. You guys should order some too. It's hot as hell out here. I'm SRT DAD. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out, y'all.
I still go, 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 go.